Before we move on to the expectations, I want to talk about our conditional refund guarantees. So for context, we've done this program for 2 years now, and we've always had a no refund policy, so all sales are final. Now, we have tested and iterated this system so many times and made so much changes and additions to the training and all of this stuff to where now I really feel like it's a point where we could just put our money where our mouth is. And if you run the system exactly as I have laid out in the training and you meet these criteria that you see on the screen right now, if you do not get a result and you can prove that you did this, we have our money where our mouth is, we're gonna give you a refund. So here's the deal. Number one, you have to do 30 role play calls with your partner or series of partners. Now these need to be recorded anyways because that's how you get feedback from your coach, all right? So have them recorded, put them in a drive file. If you actually do that, which gets you your certification, then that's one of the criteria. The second one is at least 100 reach outs and or applications. So that could be a job application through some of the places we're going to show you. And what we want is you to screenshot that application, number one, so we can see how you did the application, so we can give you feedback on it. And number two, obviously for this criteria. And then if it's a reach out, like a direct message, that we're gonna teach you how to do through one of the methods later in the program, just make sure you screenshot all of those too, because again, number one, we're gonna give you feedback on that stuff so we can adjust your copy, adjust your messaging so that it works. And then number two, obviously it helps you meet the criteria. The very final thing, which is the easiest thing, is basically just participation, you gotta show up, is just doing 6 of the one-on-one coaching calls with your client success manager that you're getting anyways. So that's it guys. This is really in place to incentivize, really it's to align incentives, right? So if you do the actions and you outline the system, you can know with 100% confidence, boom, like all I gotta do is these actions and I'm either gonna get the result or I'm gonna get my money back, and really that ends up being no risk for you, okay? So you can see it on the screen here, and it also needs to be within 90 days of the enrollment, which you should be able to do no problem. This is, just for instance, guys, when I got into sales, and really all this program is modeled around when I had no experience, what I did to go out and get a remote closing role. And I did 30 calls and 100 applications in probably about 10 days. So 90 days is extremely generous, but I know some people are working full time, they have other obligations, so wanted to give you a little bit more time there. But if you have any questions, ask your CSM, and we'll see you in the next training.